Hey, what's going on, my ASVAB party people? Happy Tuesday, happy 4th of July from your Coach Anderson here. In this video, I want to go ahead and make sure that your anxiety is as low as possible when it comes to taking the ASVAB. So if you want to raise your score, get the job you want, without all the fluff, without all the frustration, then pay attention to this very short video. So for those of you who are in my program, if you're watching this, you know how useful everything is. But this video is for those who are not in the program because we're running our July 4th sale, only comes once a year, and you can save 20% on any of the plans for the program. So let me go ahead and show you how insane this program actually is when it comes to making sure that you get the stuff that you need, learning in your style without you having to adapt to any sort of new system. So here's how this works. So basically for the math, nice and easily, you have 3 goals. Number 1, finish the math basics. Step 2, finish your arithmetic, reasoning, and math knowledge courses. And then step 3, go ahead and take practice tests all the way up until test day. It's the same thing for word knowledge and paragraph comprehension. Go ahead and go through those study guides, go through the courses, take your practice tests. And also when it comes to general science, we have you covered there too. But let me go ahead and show you one of my favorite features in the program. One of the biggest issues that people face is not knowing when they're ready to take the test. So I want to go ahead and show you, I'm going to open up arithmetic reasoning here and show you how insane this actually is. So let's zoom in here and notice how every unit that we have listed, you have every bit of knowledge to know whether you're good or not. If you have an X next to it, hey, you got to go ahead and do that thing. If you have 1 star to 5 stars, that means you've completed it, but the star rating tells you how well you've done it. Because we all know that it's not about, hey, am I ready for the test? It's how high am I ready to score? And so with that, you'll be able to tell exactly where you're at in the grand scheme of things every single step of the way. Oh, and on top of that, I send you feedback reports and progress reports every single week. So you're never going to be lost. You're never going to be stuck. It's a matter of putting yourself in a position to just sit down and get to work. And that's what I enjoy about the program, making your life easy. That way you can raise your score and get the job you want. But even better, this is also one of my favorite things here. So let's go ahead and say we are going to go ahead and just open up a random topic here. Let's go ahead and say we're looking at percent word problems. And I want to open up and see what I have to work with when it comes to percents. Well, the great thing is, again, every single topic I got you covered. Got you covered with lessons, casual practice with video solutions, more lessons. We have lessons on top of lessons, speed drills. Basically what a speed drill is this helps you time yourself to feel the pressure of test day. Go ahead and take a pause. Think about it. Have you ever been in a position where you've seen a problem that you know how to do on the test, but because you're being timed, you're feeling that pressure, you start second guessing yourself, and then you don't know what to do? We don't want that, right? We definitely don't want that, and that's what these speed drills help you out with. And on top of that, at the end of the unit, you have a unit checkpoint, and that's how you earn those stars. But it gets even better because it's not just about, oh, hey, let's just go ahead and take a test and see if we're right or wrong. No, what we're here to do is understand why. That's how you're going to guarantee a higher score. So to get rid of the frustration of not knowing why, what I've done is at the end of every single unit checkpoint, every single speed drill, you're going to have feedback for every single question. So for example, let's go ahead and say we go through all of these questions here, all of them nice and easy. Let's go ahead and submit the questionnaire. Let's say we're done. Oh man, we got 0 out of 10. That's because I didn't answer any questions. But here's where the gold is. Every single question that you do, let me zoom on in over here so you can see. Look at this. You're going to have a step-by-step guide for every single problem. And if you're wondering how many questions do I have, over 15,000. So again, this is all about putting you in the best position to succeed. I'm serious when I say that. So I want you to join the program. Sign up now, click the link in the description of this video. That way you can see why over 600 students are happy with the program right now and why over 1,500 have passed over the past 4 years. Again, I'm Coach Anderson. I want you to succeed. I want you to get the job you want. So go ahead, shoot me a text right over there. There's my phone number if you have any questions, or you can jump straight to the link, sign up for the program, raise that score, and save big with the discount code FIREWORK. I'll see you guys in there. Let's ace the ASVAB, guys. Cheers.